Did you know that $5 a day could grow into $1 million? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Let me show you how the magic of compound interest can transform your financial future. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time. In this video, we'll break down what compound interest is, how it works, and how you can use it to build serious wealth, even starting small. Compound interest means earning interest on both your initial investment and the interest it earns. For example, if you invest $100 and earn 10% interest annually, you'll have $110 after the first year. But in the second year, you earn 10% on $110, not just your original $100. Over time, this creates a snowball effect where your money grows faster and faster. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Let's say you invest $5 a day, about the cost of a coffee, into an account that earns 8% annual interest. After 40 years, you have over $1 million. The key is consistency. Even small amounts grow into significant sums when given enough time. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, or investment apps like Acorns or Robinhood. These tools make it easy to start investing and let compound interest work its magic. Automating your contributions ensures you stay on track without having to think about it. Compound interest thrives on time. The longer you leave your investments untouched, the more they'll grow. Avoid withdrawing your money unless absolutely necessary. Think of it as planting a tree. The longer it grows, the more fruitful it becomes. Ready to start building your financial future with just $5 a day? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use compound interest to grow your wealth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more financial tips. Your future self will thank you.